We're going to be talking about the influence of bereavement on both physical and mental health. Is there a scientific basis for our understanding, or should we simply rely on our common sense? These are some of the figures of death rates in England and Wales. When you think that this is 500,000 people, each leaving behind perhaps 8 bereaved people. Even if only 5% of those needed bereavement help, and the evidence seems to be that it's a larger proportion than that, the total needing help will already be over 25,000. I want to talk a bit about psychosomatic disorders and the effect of bereavement on mortality, physical health. There's quite a wide range of psychosomatic influences that have been associated with bereavement, ranging from what you might call hypochondriacal symptoms, reflecting the physiological effects of chronic anxiety and stress, most of them. You may be less familiar with the identification symptoms. It's not uncommon for bereaved people to develop symptoms closely resembling the illness of the person who's died. Because this is a real illness, their symptoms may actually be misdiagnosed. I remember one lady who had characteristic symptoms of coronary ischemia, which completely fooled her doctors, but it resembled a real illness, and it's not surprising that someone who's maybe identified very closely with the person dying and then gets maybe a physiological symptom. She's lying in bed at night, she feels a heart beating in her chest, she thinks, oh my God, am I getting a heart attack like my husband? The more she worries about it, the worse it gets. She starts to think, what did he have? He had pains in his chest. Yes, I think I've got pains in my chest. And before very long, she's got pains going down the inside of her left arm, etc., etc. Or simply the exacerbation of pre-existing symptoms. Old people who all have a bit of arthritis. When your husband dies, you lie at home worrying about your arthritis, and it gets worse. And there's several studies indicating that one of the symptoms that brings bereaved people to the attention of general practitioners in the early stages of bereavement is likely to be arthritic pains, pains in the joints, headaches, neck aches, you name it. And aggravation of organic conditions